Okay, this thing is on. All right, so I just want to start making grammar videos. These videos are for me. I'm posting it to YouTube in case y'all want to watch it. But don't get mad at me if I get something wrong or you don't like the way I'm teaching it. It's not for you, it's for me. So I can watch it in the future. And it's going to help me memorize these grammar points by teaching it to myself. A lot of these grammar points I already know, I already use in conversation, but a lot of the times I forget to use certain grammar points at certain times when they're more appropriate. So this video is going to be the first one and the first video of many. Okay? I was debating whether or not I should do it in Chinese, but I'm like, no, let's just do it in English. Just in case somebody else wants to watch, or in case I forget how to speak Chinese in the future, and I can look back at these. Oh, all right. So first one. This grammar point is 即使. This means even if. We use this grammar point a lot in English, right? Even if I don't want to do the blah, blah, or even if, blah, 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 right? Or even though, right? Even if. 即使. So, characters. I hope this is, you can see it. Oops. I messed up. Hold on. And then, okay, and then, sure. Sometimes I forget how to write these things. Let me see. There we go. 即使. Okay. So, is the lighting? Oh no. It's all good. I hope I could flip this around after I'm done. I think it's mirrored. This is not what I want, but it's all good. 即使. Okay. So you can say, if you want to say even if I want to, let's come up with a sentence. Let me see. Even if I don't go, even if I don't, why am I blanking right now? What can I say? Even if, oh, okay, this is a good one. Even if I don't study, I will still practice. Oh, no, I got a better one. Even if I should probably prepare these videos beforehand. This is the first one. Cut me some slack. Even if I don't watch the movie, I still want to read the book. You know, I can use it in a positive way too. Even if I watch the movie, I still want to. Right, what? See, this is why it's important to work things out in your head. I've always used the even if in my head, even if for negative things, but I can use it for positive as well, right? Even if I don't watch the movie, I still want to read the book. Even if I watch the movie, I still read the book. You can say both. What am I talking about? Okay, let's do that. I like to make sense with these sentences. Okay. 即使 我 Actually, let's keep the dots there. Dot, dot, dot. 即使我不看电影怎么写 How do you write movie? Hold on. 电影 Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, I remember. Yeah. 电影 Right? I'm always so unsure when I write Chinese. I need to be more sure about myself. Okay. 即使我不看电影 Wait, no, why am I doing the negative? I just said I was going to do the positive. What is wrong with me? Hey, yeah, okay. 即使我看那个电影 Then you put a comma. 即使我看那个电影，我也还想看那个关于电影的书 Okay. So, 即使我看那个电影，我也还想看那关于电影的书。This means even if I watch that movie, I still want to look at the book that's about the movie. Right? You know how you can read the Harry Potter books, or you can watch the movie, or you can do both, right? This is basically saying, even if I do watch the Harry Potter movie, I still want to look at the books, right? I still want to read the books. So that is the positive aspect of it, or the negative side of things. 即使我不看那个电影，我也还想看关于那个电影的书。So, that means even if I don't watch that movie, I still want to read the book about the movie. Right? You can say either one. How long is this video? 9 minutes? Oh yeah, that's it. It's over. Next videos I'll do more examples and stuff, but I want to keep all these videos under 10 minutes. But yeah. So, crap. No, I won't be able to. I have to explain the other end. Sorry. Hold on. So, 即使, right? When you use 即使, you have to use yeah, which means also, right? Or you would have to use them both, yeah, hi. This means, so yeah, it means also. Hi means still, like you still want, something's still happening, or you still want something, or whatever. So let's do a direct translation. 即使 even if 我 me or I 看 see 那个 that 电影 movie 我 I also yeah also 还 still 想 want to or want 看 see 那 that 关于电影 about that movie 的书 book. Okay, so when you're using 即使 you want to use yeah or hi. So if you just say yeah, that means I also want to do this. So if you say even if I run 即使我跑步 I also want to, I don't know how to say do push-ups in Chinese, but that would be 即使我跑步我也想要做 push-ups. So even if I run, I still want to do push-ups. Okay, so you get it. This is an easy one for me. These videos are for me. If you get anything out of these, fine, but don't criticize me because it's not for you. Bye-bye.